Hello there. Motor's in. You obviously can't see the rest of it, but the transmission's in there. Drive shaft. It's all plumbed up. Ignore that part. We're working on that. But it's all in there. It's ready for fluids. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. Starting off with the flat wheel here, we're skipping over the pilot bearing. Just know you need to change it because the input shaft on the T56 is larger than the stock 2JZ transmission. With the Grannas kit, I opted for the McLeod RST twin disc clutches. So in between the clutches there will be a floater plate. There are indexing marks and a certain direction these parts face. With the instructions and the alignment marks, it made it easy for even a guy like me to figure it out. Now here's where I'm finding out there's not enough room in the tunnel for this. So it's time to grab an assortment of motivators and start motivating. So after I do some hammering, I gotta do some more hammering. And then, even more hammering. Now there's enough room for the bell housing, so it's time for more hammering.
Wow, Warren, nice cock.
What's that big bulge in your pants?
Your wife would be in the comments. Stay off him.
Okay.
That's mine.
There you go. Ooh, yeah.
That's how I get my hip flexors in.
Oh,
Whoa. Careful, it's fucking falling off the fucking.
here, hold on. Let's put it down on the jack.
Yep, we're down on the jack. Oh, oh, fuck,
Yeah,
jack
put
move.
it underneath.
Yeah, you're good.
If it's...
What is your dad doing?
Fuck if I know, dude. I don't... Oh! Yes, dude, we're there.
Oh, yes.
We're fucking there. Okay.
Yes! So we just need to stop being bitches and shove it in.
Well, I think... Yeah. You could say that. That's not a hole. There we go. Said my wife. Good shop dog. She's helping. Oh, what a good helper. So, it's in there. Just torquing down the last few bolts on the bell housing, and then it'll be raising it up in there and putting the cross member brace on. I did not need to hammer anything out past, I don't know how well you can see it, but past this first bend here, or band. Everything else was good. I might Might need to cut that off. It might hit there. As far as shifter placement, it'll sit right up in there nice. I'm going to be making a couple brackets for my power steering reservoir here, and also my catch can, and what was the other thing? Oh, and then my oil cooler that's sitting down here. So I stopped at Lowe's, got myself some like sheet steel. I wanted to use aluminum, but they didn't have anything that was thick enough, and I don't have a bead roller to add strength to a thin piece of aluminum. But these are my super expert drawings on what these brackets are going to look like. And so I should have enough metal for those, and we'll get to cutting them. Woohoo! So, see if I can get it to focus right. There you go. I got some clearance there. I'm gonna cut these shorter, make them look a little better. But yeah, there's my bracket. Pretty sturdy enough, I would imagine. Room for the AN lines and all that jazz. So I think that's gonna be something like that or something. Yeah, got room. Yeah, One done. Inch and a half. Let's slide in there. 3/4. Oh, I haven't been in the frame the whole time. That sucks. Anyways. Ta-da. Damn it. Oh, and then I made that too big. I suck. I suck. Yeah. Now to make one exactly like that. Alright. So there's that bottom bracket. I got them all tight and in position. There's the top L's. Yeah, I don't like how ugly and square this looks, so I'm gonna maybe round it out. Do something, make it look a little more professional than that. Yeah, those brackets are done essentially. I think those are the only two I'm gonna make out of the steel that I have. So I will be cleaning up those ones and the power steering reservoir bracket, and painting them, making sure they don't rust. And then as far as my catch can goes, I'm still not decided on where I want to put it. I mean, as you can see, I still have a lot of stuff missing in the engine bay, and I don't exactly know where I'm gonna have the room for it, but it came with this aluminum bracket, and I think I'll just stick with using this unless I have to use something else. As of right now, my thinking is I'll attach this. I'd like to go underneath just for cleanliness purposes. I don't like how that would look, but essentially here, and kind of tuck it back down in here, out of the way of stuff up here, but still able to unscrew the bottom and all that. As of right now, we'll skip the catch can. We'll put that on later. So we'll move on to some other stuff for now. Well, I didn't show you guys, but I'll talk to you guys a little bit about it. Other things I gotta finish on the plumbing side, but can't yet. Since I still don't have my turbo manifold, I'm not exactly sure where I want to put my catch can. So I have the lines obviously connected and halfway ran. But I'm not exactly sure how much room I'm gonna have here. Same thing. Soft fuse box will end up going there. So that'll be a after the fact, once everything else is kind of finalized and in their place. That's the catch can is something I can easily move somewhere else. So, oh, and I got this really cool, nifty, custom built radiator hose. I wanted to do as little joints as possible, but it's kind of hard to find a hose that'll do that without being expensive. So made a couple brackets to get held down by zip ties here, and cut that one off. We can take a peek under. Maybe if there's enough light. Yeah, it's all bolted up, hooked up, ready to go. I want to thank the guys over at Grannas for helping me out on what parts I needed for this kit. It was literally everything I needed from the back of the block all the way to the diff. You know, flywheel, clutch, everything, transmission, all that fancy stuff. So everything from there back, huge thank you to them. I'm doing another outro. You'll see it. You'll see it. Outro. Cue the outro. Well, that'll do it for this video. Next on the list is either my exhaust and that whole system that goes in this area, building that, or it'll be wiring harness and a bunch of wiring. I'm still waiting on parts for both of those videos. So who knows? Maybe it'll be my body kit install. Or part of a body kit. I don't have bumpers. I'm broke. Yeah, if you like this video, please let me know in the comments. I haven't figured it out yet. Or if I have figured it out, fucking like the video. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If I fucked anything up, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to come back for more, hit that subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Deuces. Hell yeah.